Hello, my name is Allyn and this is Michigan Business Biography. You know, as seniors, we're not only living longer, we're actually outliving our joints. If in fact you suffer from painful joints, shoulders, hips, knees, the Center for Regenerative Medicine is utilizing the science of living cells to help your body recover. Kind of like healing a cut on your finger.
So here at the Center for Regenerative Medicine, we focus on joint care and health. We have a group of orthopedic surgeons that have started this group in order to compete with the joint care that we have today. As in this society, we're outliving our joints. So a proactive technique or innovation with regenerative medicine is ultimately the answer to managing your pain, your time, and your ability to move and be active.
This particular clinic that we're in today is more focused on amniotic-based regenerative medicine. The concept behind these type of injections is that you recruit your own stem cells to the location where you put this particular type of injection. This is good for people, especially older folks that maybe don't produce the amount of stem cells that we need to get a result that we want. This is an alternative to that and tends to recruit the cells needed for regenerative processes rather than depending on transplanting stem cells from one location to a different location.
I'm busy. I cannot afford to be, I can't be idle. I have to do something. So I needed to have some alternative ways of healing so that I could get back to myself. So I was looking around and found Matt at the Regenerative Center here, and that has really helped.
My level of activity has always been very strong. I was a swimmer at Michigan State, and so I continued swimming. But I was a jogger, and I believe that the jogging didn't enhance my knees too well, and now I have trouble with my knees and my hips. Regenerative medicine seems to be the answer for what I'm looking for, yes.
The hip surgery was quite successful, and also the recovery and rehab was actually cut considerably. And I think that's due to the regenerative medicine technique and procedures that were used. So at 75, thanks to regenerative medicine, I'm able to retain my active life.
So if you're a senior that has aging or damaged joints, you need to check out the scientific new treatments at the Center for Regenerative Medicine in Bloomfield Hills.